Good morning, guys. Yeah, it is now 11:05 and yeah, we're going out to bike around. No, drive around. Yeah, my bike just sitting down there. It's over a month already that has never been touched. I'm out here because I'm going to find a place to edit the video. Yeah, I want it in the beach area or somewhere peaceful. Oh, now there are cars at the back, so I need to go on to the speed of the road, 50 kilometers per hour. And it is going down here. When there's no cars at the back, I usually driving really slow, like 40 kilometers, the comfortable one. Oh, there is a blue chimney, nice. Oh, maybe that's the chimney of I forgot her name, my colleague. Tony. Yeah, Tony, she's my colleague. We are working together before in our kitchen, but she resigned. I like it in this situation. When there is someone in front of me, yeah, I don't want to be in the front. I don't want to be a leader. I don't want the car's speed relies on my speed. Hand in hand, you and I, let's cherish every moment. We are first going here in Boat Harbor. Oh, the car is also going here. Yeah, the car behind me. Oh, again there is one chimney. Nice. It's good to see a pillow chimney. Yeah, this car is actually also going in the same place. Okay, I will turn and go the same. Okay, maybe I will just stay here. Okay, let me get out of the car and I will show you around here. So basically that's the residential area and there are many cars. I don't know if they are tourists or locals. Even here on the other side, let me show you. I saw some people, they are fishing. Oh, not fishing, just relaxing. But on that side there is actually like a kind of viewing area. Yeah, we'll go up there also. This is actually the Boat Harbor whale watching spot. In the future, yeah, we're going to do kind of fishing. Yeah, that's when I don't have any more place to go, so I will just go fishing. Many of them, they are looking to the ocean. And then if you remember, we've been there before. We used to walk over there with my bike. And yeah, my gym is over there. Yeah, the people, they really come here to see the whale. Most of them are really prepared. They have a big camera. Yeah, with the long lens, expensive looking. So from Anna Bay, just a couple of minutes will be this Boat Harbor. Yeah, I don't want to stay here because there are many cars. I want to stay in a little bit secluded, but in front of the water. Those people are basically looking for this kind of whale. This humpback whale, southern right whale. Yeah. Yeah, I actually just left the place and we're going to find another place. Not this one, this is oh, another chimney. Nice. And this is how it is here, residential area, and they have this amazing beautiful view of this kind of beach. Yeah, we've been here before also with my bike, and we are in this part of Boat Harbor. Yeah, looks like there are some campers here. If you see that car, it looks like a camper. Okay, we are now back here. I was previously on that side, and now we are here. Yeah, but the view actually from that side is much better. So I'm now going to set up my table here. Before going to do my computer things, my editing, I'm going to eat first. I have this breakfast. Actually, it's already 12:30, and just now I'm going to eat rice. This hot dog, egg, and rice. It is now 2:34, and looks like all those photographers are getting down now. It is now 4:49, and I'm still here. And at the moment, there are two guys. They are doing kind of rock climbing, and the sun is actually sitting down on that side. And those are the two guys that is doing rock climbing. We're going to have a quick look here. Oh, I forgot the car is open. How come I just go out and not minding about the car? Yeah, look at this. This is how it is. Oh, look at the color of the sky over there. Red. Yeah, that's it for today here. Yeah, we are going home now. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, at the moment we are here in the Albura Marina. I just finished my duty to already 2:22 when I sign out. I realized that when I am working, I am just in the house, in the car, and then work, house, car. Yeah, that's my life these days, and I don't like that. Yeah, when I was on my bike, yeah, of course I work, bike, stay somewhere, walk a little bit, and then work, and then house. Yeah, that's what I usually do, and I like that because and I see people, I see nature, I see everything around. Yeah, but these days, I was just in the car, go home, edit the video, stay in the house, feeling cold, sleep, wake up, go to work again, in the car again. Yeah, that is my life these days, and I don't like that. Yeah, that is why I am going to park somewhere here, and then I will be walking around or stay in the bench or somewhere. Yeah, just to see people, just to see the environment, to see everything, to see what's going on, what's happening around. That is what I am going to do. But not this time, because I didn't bring any extra clothing. I have just this, my t-shirt and my uniform, and I'm wearing the trouser, and the trouser doesn't look clean because there's some flour and kitchen dirt. And yeah, I don't want to be walking around with the dirty trouser. I am a shy person, but yeah, I still want to be seen by people. Also, I want to see always people. Yeah, that's why, yeah, I will keep on going out. Yeah, we are coming back later to stay somewhere during the sunset. And I am going to make that as my daily habit. Okay, we are home. If you notice in my previous videos, previous vlogs, yeah, I was just here in the house, eating, cooking, going to work, just like that. And yeah, I don't like that kind of life. I want to be out, seeing people, seen by people. Yeah, I don't need to speak to people. Just by seeing them or being seen is I'm happy. And now it's time for me to prepare my lunch, my meal. And I still have this. Yeah, it's still good. Yeah, this is the sopas, macaroni soup. And that's my meal. It is boiling now and I'm going to put one egg. Oh, hot. And of course, yeah, I'm going to eat it with rice. I still have some. I'm going to eat it for dinner. Yeah, I am now preparing my coffee. We're going to outside and yeah, drink coffee somewhere near the beach. But yeah, let me pull first this yeah, my chef's jacket. I just take it out from my yeah, from the dryer. It is already 5 o'clock. I hope to see the sunset. Yeah, okay, we go.